Hey there, Bo here with DocumentCam.com. I'm going to do an unboxing of the Okiocam S dock cam. Very compact, you can see portable document cam. This thing is really cute, really small. So let's open it up. Alright. Wow, pretty cool. Got some silica gel in there. Over there. Wow, look at that thing. Small instructions there. Alright. Let's see, you got the USB cord. Alright. So, neat. So it's got a use and a store thing. So I'm going to take this out of the store like that. Alright. I can then take this guy, open it up, and this is the base here. And it folds out really neatly, really nicely like that. Alright. I'm going to open this guy up like so. Alright. There we go. See, it folds out like that. Very portable, very foldable. Alright. And the camera itself was like so. I'm going to put it in the U's here. Like that. You can see it didn't fold out the way I quite wanted it to. Alright, I think I put it in maybe the wrong direction. There we are. Alright. And it looks like we're good to go there. Alright, we can fold it to however we want to with whatever we're going to use. This is my 4th grader's vocabulary book. So let's say I wanted to scan this particular page here. Just adjust it like so. I would plug it into my laptop here. Right, and we are good to go. So yeah, that's the Okiocam S. DocumentCam.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.